do a horn test right here. Upright windshield. You can see the boxy hood. Just reminds me of an FJ Cruiser. And there's a good pull on the high rev range. You can hear the turbo spool up. I miss the feel of analog cars. Hey guys, here we have the Toyota Tamaraw FX and we are going to be doing a POV drive. But before we do that, let's do a walk around of the exterior and interior first. This is the front end of the Tamaraw FX. This specific model has the halogens. This is the overall look. It's very boxy and you can see this bare plastic for the bumpers. Quite aggressive, but honestly it just feels like a toy. You get this Hilux side mirror right here. Again, this is a Hilux Tamaraw, so that's what it's marketed as, the Tamaraw FX. They're trying to bring back the nameplates. You get 14-inch steel wheels, finished in black. And this is the rear. You can see spare headlights, very upright and very utilitarian. If you move towards the inside, this is the rear. You have a lot of space back here. You have AC as well, but you do get 4 vents only. Oh, you also have side vents, but in some models you can get it up to here, the air conditioning. The floor is covered in black. And if you close it up, I have the key here with me. Let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Doesn't have an alarm, so you just have to put the key in to unlock and lock it. This is the door card, very utilitarian as well. Hard plastic, as you'd expect. This is built to last, so you have windy windows as well. This is the typical Toyota door handles, and if you hop inside, fairly easy going in thanks to the large door opening and this flat door sill right here. Start it up. You have to insert the key. Put your foot on the brake and clutch. This is a manual transmission, 5-speed. You don't get a rev counter. So if you close the door, you can hear the whole thing just shake. You have manual controls right here for the aircon. Your temperature is right here. Keep it to cool. And you have round air vents. It's bare stock in here. You have your speedometer only and your trip computer with your odometer, trip A, trip B. A plastic steering wheel with 3-spoke design, no physical buttons whatsoever. Again, the 5-speed transmission. And you have a lot of storage compartments here. You have 2 cup holders, which are an interesting shape. The overall dash design has that boxy utilitarian to it. You have this 2-DIN radio with auxiliary and USB input. I believe this also have Bluetooth wireless telephone. Here you go. And I like how it says Toyota right here. Just reminds me of an FJ Cruiser. And visibility all around is quite good. You got upright windshield. You can see the boxy hood. And yeah, the side windows are large. The side mirrors are also fairly decent sized. You can see at the rear, it's also fairly reasonable. I do wish it does have the backup camera. But yeah, let's go ahead and take it for a drive. This is powered by a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine, turbocharged. Oh, there's a lot of torque. Does feel very utilitarian, this car. And the pedal feel is heavy, feels like a truck. But yeah, driving the Tamaraw FX is fairly easy. And there's a good pull on the high rev range. You can hear the turbo spool up. Does feel engaging to drive, if I'm being honest. Maybe because I miss the feel of analog cars. And I like how it feels like that, because again, this is the Tamaraw FX. It doesn't necessarily have to be comfortable and disconnected with the road. This is built for heavy duty use. there's a lot of pull on the high rev range. And it's nice because you don't feel the engine struggling or anything. Going over the humps too, it doesn't bounce about. It does feel a bit stiff, the suspension. But again, this is a body on frame chassis, and you got leaf springs at the back. Let's do a horn test right here. Does sound like a Vios. Yeah, you can feel every bump in the road with the car, with this truck rather, but yeah, it does look cool. Yeah, you can feel the weight at the back is fairly empty. Yeah, driving position, I like it. You sit nice and upright. Everything feels, well, the driving position, the steering, the gear selector feels comfortable. Everything is at reach. So it's time to park the car. Wow, the turning radius is quite tight. And parking it is fairly easy, although I do have to say it wish it does have the backup camera. But yeah, to turn off the car, turn off the air conditioning. Oh, so sound elation is fairly good inside. You can't hear the outside as much. To turn it off, just click the key. It turns off. Okay guys, that was a POV drive off the Toyota Hilux Tamaraw FX. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.